Hi everybody, and let's talk today about cells. So, this is cell. Each cell has their name. For example, name of this cell is E11. So do you see this column E and row 11? So this is called name or address of a cell. Cell, it is the basic minimum um, of this program. So everything where you need is cells. It is cell. You work with cell every time. Okay, so uh, when you work with the cell, you could write in a cell numbers. You could write in a cell text and everything what do you want. Also, you could write in a cell formulas. What you should know about the cell? You should know that you could change the format of a cell. For example, you could add some borders. It is menu home. You could add some color. You could copy. Shortcuts for copying and passes Control V, Control C, Control V. Control C is copying. Control C. Control V is Paste. Okay. Also, you could cut and you could paste. You could pass special. For example, you could pass only formulas. Look here. So for example, we have formulas 1 plus 1. We didn't copy and we passed special. We passed only formulas. Also, what you should know about the cells. Each cell could process information different way. For example, it could be different formats. And let's check which format of cells do we have. It can be general format. It can be number format. So if we have some information, uh, let's just write some information. For example, and format cells. General 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number. Right now we see numbers and we could decimal places, yeah? For example, do you see how much zero we have after point? It can be currency and we could change, for example, it's going to be like uh, French format or like dollars, Spanish dollars, and the same. Yeah, this could be currency. Okay, it could be accounting, it could be date, and different formats of a date which you could choose. Also, it could be a time. So, date and time they processing in Microsoft Excel as a numbers. So, for example, code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is time. This is format of a time. Okay, also, it could be percentage, it could be fraction, it could be scientific, it could be text, it could be special, like zip code or something, and custom where you could just write your particular way of doing this. Okay, also it could be alignment. So your text rotation could be like this, and like just okay. So do you see what we have? One more time, format cells. You could, for example, create horizontal alignment or left alignment. It's gonna be top alignment. You could wrap text. You could shrink text. Also, if you have two or more cells, you could merge cells if you select more than one. Also, here you could do some work with your font, which you use in this cell. For example, you could change your font. It could be italic. It could be another size. It could be another color. Okay. Also, you could add some border. You could fill some color. But if you don't want to fill color, you could do like pattern style like this. And also you could protect. You could protect your cell. It could be locked, it could be hidden, it could be locked and hidden. About protection, I will talk later in other lesson because there are a lot of information inside this. You could change the size while you change the size of your column. For example, change size of your column, you should click here, press, and just move. Hold and move, hold and move. And here, hold and move, hold and move, hold and move. And right now you are changing size of your cell. If you, for example, need to change size of couple of cells, for example, this one, this one, this one, and this one, you could select a couple of columns. You could press Command on a MacBook or Control on a Windows, hold it, and change the size. And at this moment, you will be have changing the size of all your columns or cells in one time. So let's leave it here and go to our next lesson.